Exactly has Birla Corp done in the first quarter? The cement company, in fact, has delivered quite a healthy set. There has been product mix as well as realizations that has aided the first quarter numbers. So let's bring on board Aditya Saraogi, the CFO of Birla Corp, to talk about the numbers. Aditya, thanks so much for joining in on ET now. It's been a good quarter, like I said, product mix, realization. So what are the other factors that aided you in, that aided you in your good performance?
There are multiple factors. The first factor is that we have had a volume growth, unlike all other players in the industry who have had volume degrowth. So we have been able to perform better than the other players in the industry. That has been the first factor. Secondly, in general, the industry saw an increase in prices, so that helped us. But beyond that, there were certain strategies that we implemented that is working well for us. One is we have been consciously shifting from non-blended cement to blended cement. The ratio of blended cement currently stands at more than 90%. Secondly, there is a conscious shift from non-trade to trade segment, so that is helping us get better margins. And thirdly, we are increasingly selling more cement in premium segment, which currently stands at more than 30% of our total volume. So that has also helped us shore up our margins.
All right. Also talk to us about the margin expansion. What were the key triggers and the contributors as well? I mean, I know input costs have eased, so has that helped you? And also if there's any capacity utilization trend for the industry that you could share with us?
The key margin driver in our case has been one, of course, higher prices during the quarter. And as I mentioned, the shift from non-premium to premium segment, from non-trade to trade, and from non-blended to blended cement. And also the focus on logistics, which has been contained, that has helped us increase our margin. And the fact that we have been able to increase our volumes also, that also helped us increase our margins. Our capacity utilization during the quarter was 98%. And for the industry as a whole, it really depends from region to region. Probably in the north it will be around 80%. In the central, it should be close to more than 90%. And in the east, also my sense it should be around 80%.
We are seeing flat to negative sales growth for the industry in the first quarter, but is there any improvement in July? And also, when in general do you expect demand to revive? Because we are hearing a lot of slowdown and liquidity issues. So could you throw some light on those issues and if there's any impact of that on demand?
See, typically second quarter is seasonally weak because of monsoons. So in this quarter, seasonally the demand is always weak. So we should not expect much recovery in the second quarter in any case. But from the second half of the year, we are optimistic that given the focus of the government on housing and infrastructure, the demand for the industry should come back.
Okay, so assuming that demand revives in the second half, will the cement industry be able to cover up for the lost volumes? And also we've seen these sharp price hikes. So have you rolled back any of that in the past 2 months? Are you looking to cut prices to push volume since demand is muted?
Definitely. In fact, in the first quarter also, despite degrowth in volume, you would have seen that the results posted by all the cement companies have been fairly good, because the prices have been increased and have been holding up. So that has helped the companies post good results, better than what they did in the corresponding quarter previous year. And although there has been some moderation in the prices which are off peak, but still compared to the previous year they are still higher. So I would expect the cement companies to continue posting good results. And if the demand comes back, then definitely that's going to further help the cement companies post even better results. We should also keep in mind that the Fuel costs are moderating. The petcoke prices have corrected quite a lot. So that should also aid the cement companies to further improve their margins in the second half of the year.
Okay, what about all the issues with respect to integration with Reliance Cement? Is it done, or are we still facing any problems there? And also, is there any outlook on resolution of the limestone issue in the Rajasthan plant?
As far as integration with Reliance is concerned, it has been completed, and it was absolutely a seamless integration. That has been one of the good achievements we have had, and that has helped us improve our margins for the group. As far as resolution of Chanderiya mining is concerned, the final report has been submitted by CBRI as directed by Supreme Court, and the matter is pending for final hearing.